your storm station forecast with Chief Meteorologist Josh Eaches.
A stormy start to the week. Might be a stormy finish to the week as well. Rounds of showers and thunderstorms can be expected each day through Wednesday and Thursday. The earliest chance of maybe tamping down the action appears to be on Friday. As for flood concerns, same old here. We're not looking at anything major, but any given day there could be a neighborhood in the viewing area where we have some standing water issues due to poor drainage, so the usual suspect spots would be the first to watch. The one thing about this stormy pattern, afternoons like this with the clouds, no big heat in the forecast. High temperatures are likely to range from 5 to closer to 10 degrees below average over the next several days. So here's why we have the wet setup this week. First of all, in the upper levels of the atmosphere, we have deep southwesterly wind flow. That does a couple of things. One, helps to transport and maintain tropical moisture over the central Gulf Coast. Look at that source region. Most of it is the Gulf of Mexico. On top of that, you'll get these little weak disturbances in those upper level winds. They alone can create some lift needed for showers and thunderstorms to develop. On top of that, another trigger in the area is a stalling frontal system. The weak area of low pressure, actually, as that low gets a little bit closer to us as we move into Wednesday, that might be our greatest risk for some flooding issues to pop up this week, as the showers and storms themselves will be moving at a slower pace by then. 77-degree temperature in the capital area now, of course, cooled down from our noontime showers and thunderstorms. We do have winds out of the east at about 6 miles per hour. Not a whole lot left on radar at the moment. We are scanning away and seeing a little bit of light activity across Livingston Parish, Ascension Parish, but there is no lightning being detected right now as we look to find a little bit of drier time after that quick downpour during the middle of the day. Most of the heaviest action is pressing into central Mississippi, actually halfway between I-12 and I-20, though kind of riding up I-55 and I-59 between Hattiesburg and Jackson. Let's go to our futurecast model. You're going to see here that we get a little bit of a break overnight, but closer to daybreak tomorrow, 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, the next batch of showers and thunderstorms getting with us. I mentioned at the top of our broadcast, really important day to tune in with meteorologist Marissa Nuzzo, Lauren Hawkins on your traffic to see how things are timing out for that commute into work and school. We'll likely be bringing that activity through between about 5 a.m. and 9 a.m., a little bit of a lull, and then a second batch, especially if we get a little bit of a warm-up recharge in the afternoon. We'll see some scattered showers and storms filling in radar. The second half of the day looks like our busiest day of the week. And then on Wednesday, while we still look at another round or two of showers and thunderstorms, in particular, I look for the showers and storms to slow down a little bit as we approach midweek, thanks to an area of low pressure just off to our north. And this could set up a little bit of a training effect in some locations where we get repeat rounds of heavy rain, and maybe that's when our little localized flooding issues are maximized. You'll see that highlighted with the heavy rain outlook from the Weather Prediction Center. Tomorrow, the 2 out of 4 slight risk is generally north and west of our area. It creeps in a little bit more farther to the south and nearer to Baton Rouge as we move into Wednesday afternoon. Again, not really expecting anything more than our typical nuisance flooding issues, but once again, something we'll have to be aware of, especially as we're hitting the roads over the next few days. So the call for tonight, 73 degrees, spotty showers early, and then increasing again closer to daybreak tomorrow. I think a lot of the middle of the night for us is dry. Tomorrow we'll look for a high temperature of just 82 degrees thanks to showers and storms and a lot of cloud cover associated with that. Here's the 7-day forecast. Not a whole lot of change. We'll just slowly take down the rain coverage as we move toward the end of the week. Next Saturday and Sunday, the atmosphere may trend a little bit drier and more stable, but not major enough of a change to completely eliminate showers and thunderstorms from the forecast. Maybe wait a little longer to get started, get our highs closer to 90 once again.